Are you proud of me?
Of course, I'm proud of you, my little angel.
Mom, are you proud of me?
Yes, baby. I'm welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. You guys, I don't know if I've told you guys Merry Christmas. If I've not, Merry Christmas, compliments of the season. Yeah, Christmas is in 2 weeks, but it's still in order to say Merry Christmas now. Yeah, so I'm all dressed up now, looking fine, looking pink. I'm going for my daughter's school concert, so they're doing like a Christmas concert, and I got tickets. So this is the ticket, 2 tickets, one for me, one for So we are going now to cheer her up. She has been rehearsing, she has been doing rehearsal for this concert. Like, hey, every time she comes back from school, mommy, let me do my rehearsal, you know. So we are going today to cheer her up. It's starting by 2 and this is half 1. So we are going right now. I just said to check in with you guys and to start up a new vlog. So a quick outfit check, a quick one. So this is my bag, my jacket, my muffler, wearing this shoe. I just packed up my hair with this ear muff. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section, how do I look? Pure. Bye guys, let me run. That's so sweet. Sweet girl. And yo, that's a girl. Ooh, the wind is winding. And this wind, there is a cold wind. So stop running, come. This wind is cold. Oh my God.
I buy pendants. But there's even some Easter eggs.
Okay.
Can I have the big one?
How about the fish fingers?
Oh, fish fingers.
Come on, see it here.
Yeah.
This one. Got 2.
And this one. And this one.
That bracelet is not fish fingers. See fish fingers here.
Okay.
So keep that in.
This one is my favorite.
Yeah. Careful. I'm bringing them out. So guys, we just got back from Adeze's school concert. Hey, you guys, the cold outside, the wind, the breeze outside. Oh my God, my hands are freezing. My hands are freezing. You need to feel how cold my palms. God, it's really cold outside. So we stopped by farm food. Farm food. Bought few things, basically snacks and one or two other things, their fish fingers and their choppings basically. And we are back home now, so I'll talk to you guys later. It was a beautiful event. I videoed Adeze presenting singing. A beautiful event. I was so proud of my girl. I saw her singing, I was cheering her, so I was clapping for her. It was so beautiful and I'm glad I attended. Alright, let me make food for them because all of us we just came back now. Let me make food for them and I'll talk to you guys later. Me baby, look at me. So proud of you, love.
Bye, pal. Proud of me.
I'm so proud of you, baby. You made me proud today. You were singing. You were dancing. You were gesticulating.
Mommy, I'm going to dance in my school.
So when is your own?
It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Oh, yeah. Sosa's presentation is tomorrow. Did you what I do? Sosa's own is tomorrow. So daddy will go for yours because you know I'm going to work, okay? Alright, baby?
Okay. Make sure tomorrow. Mom, are you proud of me?
Yes, baby, I'm so proud of you, okay? So what are you?
a big loud voice and I'm singing.
Yeah, you sang well. So what are you doing now?
I'm taking my outfit with my sister and I miss her so much.
Oh, alright then, go on.
I'm going to get my food. Clap it.
So sing for me now.
Little grey donkey clip.
I can't see your face.
Little grey donkey clip and clap it. Little ground is rock. Little grey donkey clip and clap it. Little special sister.
So I present that one for me, so.
Ransom, because stuck on the chimney. He begins to shout. You boys and girls no get any toys if you pull me out. My parents is like the sugar was stuck. The nose is tickling. Ransom, because stuck on the chimney. Hatchie, hatchie, hatchie.
Good stuff. Yes, baby, go on. It's reading presentation in my house. Everybody is presenting to mommy, for mommy. so just presented her own now for me. And Adeze is over there cooking their lunch.
There's a great donkey. Clapping, clapping.
Oh yeah, now put something. Lots of cards. In your other school, you got so many cards. You got up to 10 cards. I still have those videos. Self.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Dad!
What did they say? It says, wishing you a awesome Christmas. And you like puppies, yeah? Let's see this side. There's a Merry Christmas. I opened another one. Let me see. It said, Merry Christmas. This one is a cat.
Sticker!
Is that a sticker? Let's see the inside of this one. Dear Adeze, Merry Christmas, love from Rose. Who is Rose?
My best friend.
Is she? We'll get her some card then. Okay? I'll go shopping, we'll get some card and give Rose. Huh? Something, what's that?
Chocolate!
Woohoo! Let's see. Let me see. You've already opened it. Let's see. What did they say? To Adeze, best wishes for all these people that gave you card. I'll buy cards, you give them as well, okay? So here are some cards I got for Adeze's friends in school. So Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, blah blah blah. And we got some candies. And here is Adeze ready
Hi,
to
friends.
Which one is hi friends? Are you ready to write their names? So who and who are you going to gift?
Rose, Mason, Carl, and Louise.
Rose, Mason.
And my teacher.
And your teacher too, yeah. Daisy, write your name. Daisy. See how you wrote your name. Okay, so is that one for Rose?
Yeah, I need to write Rose's name.
Wait, now can you write Rose's name? What spell? You don't write it here. Spell.
Z.
No. R-O, right. R-O-S.
O-S-E. Rose.
Rose. Like put a chocolate in.
And this one for Rose.
Okay.
She'll be so happy.
Sorry?
Rose will be so happy.
Is she?
It doesn't stay. It's okay.
It's okay, we'll pop it in the envelope. So yeah, here are the cards. We've put some candies and written their names. So this is for Rose, Mason, Louisa, Cole. And we'll still buy more cards later for
Miss Craysco.
Yeah, we'll give your teacher a beautiful card and then some other classmates of yours, okay? Yeah, so just give these ones to your best friends and then later we'll buy for other classmates, okay? Why is your face like that?
I tricked you.
All right, baby. All right. What's that? What's that socks there? Let me see. Is that your Christmas socks? Show guys now. Put your hand down a bit. Turn to the front. Woohoo!
It's pretty.
Beautiful socks, yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's pretty, yeah?
And this green one.
Sorry?
I want this green one.
You want the
can
green
have
one?
This one.
You can take any one you want, babes. You can pop it out and take.
Okay. Oh, wait, I like this. Looks like a bracelet.
Go on and take. All right. So, me,
Yes, mommy.
what do you have in your bag, girl?
Oh, let me show you.
Okay.
I got chocolates
Woohoo!
and the letter from Miss Craysco.
Okay.
Guys, this is my teacher, Miss Craysco.
Yeah, it says, let me see. Wishing you a very beautiful Christmas and happy New Year. Aww. Adeze. Here you go.
Love, love.
Yeah, love, love. You pop it in the envelope, okay?
Okay, I'll put this.
That bag.
Is Miss Smith.
Is that for Miss Smith? So that's like, put your hand down this. Show us again. What's that?
It's from Miss Smith.
Let me see.
Okay.
It's for Miss Smith. That's like a hair.
Cindy.
Yeah, it's like a.
Chocolate.
So it's like hair scrunchies. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what again? Roche chocolate. Here you go.
Looks like cup of tea.
And let's see the card. Have a very beautiful Christmas and an amazing New Year to Miss Smith from Adeze. Oh, enjoy. That's nice. All right.
And the bag looks like rainbow stuff. So she'll leave that bag now. Is there anything in the bag?
So,
Yes.
I will buy your own tomorrow. You give your best friend and also your teacher. What's your teacher's name?
Mr. Zuki, Mr. Collins, and Mr. Jones.
Okay, Miss Suki, Mrs. Jones, and Mr. Colin, yeah? We'll buy for them, okay?
There we go. And then Mira, my favorite is Mira.
Whose one is that?
Miss Smith.
Okay, is this for Miss Smith? Okay, let's write Miss Smith. So this is like an advent calendar from Adeze school. So from 1st of December up until 25th of December, they have like more like a task where you will tell them like, how do I explain it? You will teach them certain things. Each day has what you talk to them about. Talk to them about it, teach them. They will explain to you, give examples, and at the end of the stuff, by New Year, they will bring it back, write their feedback. So there's a section for parents' feedback and a section for pupils' feedback. So how can you and your family share with the poor? So how can you share with the poor? How can you look after the poor? How can you help the poor?
I can help him when
You can help who?
I can help the poor with the cleaning.
You can help the poor with the cleaning. You help them clean, yeah. So you can help the poor, yeah.
I can help them to clean the toilets.
You can help them to clean the toilet, the poor,
Mom,
yeah.
who's there?
Okay, so
Who's
you can
there?
also give to the poor. You know, you buy something. Maybe you can buy toys, you buy clothes. give to children that don't have anybody to buy toys for them, don't have anybody to buy Christmas clothes for them. You gift them. Have the mind of helping the poor, helping the needy in any way at all you can, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so is there anything you want to say?
I want to say
Thank
you, Mary, for making my card for my teacher.
So is there anything you want to say?
Thank you, Angel Mommy.
Thank you, Angel Mommy.
Mommy, Jesus, like I love our friends.
Yes. So when you keep helping the poor, the needy, Jesus will be happy with you. Jesus will love you. Anything you would ask Jesus to do for you, Jesus will do it for you because you are helping the poor. You are helping the needy.
But where's the poor?
The poor, you can see them.
Mommy.
Sometimes you see them on the streets.
Mommy.
All those people begging for money. You see them on the street.
You saw one in the supermarket.
Did you see one in the supermarket? Yeah, by the side here. Good. So that the poor, you help them. If you have a coin, you give them a coin. If you have anything, maybe clothes, shoes, you can go to all these charity shops and donate to them, okay? Yeah.
I want to give something away.
So what do you want to give away?
I want to give all of my toys.
You want to give away all of your toys?
Not my dollhouse. Mama, I give them like...
Alright, that's good. So maybe we'll sort your toys and the good ones, the ones that are still in good condition.
Me
give them to the poor, okay?
Me too.
So these are the gifts stuffs for Soso's friends. So for our friend Jocelyn, Amira, Adebayo, and this bag. And in this bag are the items for her teacher. In each bag is a card, a piece of gift, and chocolate. Hey, Sophie.
Hey, Mommy.
You just woke up from your sleep, yeah?
Yes, Mommy.
So what do you have in front of you?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And what? And some gift items, yeah?
Mommy, this is for Mr. Johnson. This is for Mr. Suki. This is for Mr. Collins.
Is that? We need more cards then. We have to write on these ones and put some candies. Okay?
Okay.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Your friends will be happy, yeah? Oh, yeah, later, okay? You just woke up from sleep. Shows the card. What did you say? To my family, happy holiday, love from Sophie. Oh, Sosa is so cute. That's a card you made.
And you can have this bag like this.
No, that's not a bag. That's a calendar. Turn it. Turn it to me. That's a calendar. It has January 2025. Ah, Happy New Year. That's so cute, Sophie. Well done, baby, okay?
Are you proud of me?
Of course, I'm proud of you, my little angel. Ah, kiss, kiss. Mwah.